course, how to create Android apps with Andromo that will make you money every single day. Hello, my name is Christopher Wilson. I am the self-proclaimed mobile app mogul. And in this training, we're going to learn how to create our privacy policy for our app stores. And also, I'm going to show you some more organizational tips as far as keeping your apps organized so that you can create faster and that you can just do faster things with doing anything you're doing. And once again, ask you to subscribe and comment on what you think about this video in this training, and also hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload more new content. So real quick, let's get into it. I'm going to show you, what you're going to learn is how to get your app privacy policy and more organizational tips. Now, what is a privacy policy? Well, just like, when you go to websites, you're going to see our privacy policy somewhere at the bottom of, and basically what that is, that's explaining what that app or that website is allowed to do and what they will do with ads that they show you, or information that if they ask for information from you, to go let you know what they do with that information. The bottom line, okay? So I put a privacy policy with all my apps, but the question is, people say, well, what is it? How do I get it? Okay, I'm going to solve that problem for you right here. Now we're going to go to our first site, and it's going to be, move this around real quick. Okay, the first site I'm going to go to is app privacy policy, or it's called the privacy policy generator. Okay, and I'm going to put the link in the description box, or it's going to be somewhere around to where you can access this page quickly. Now, first thing, let's go right here where it says provide the required information. You're going to put your app name right here. So let's put our app name, and our practice app is Unicorn Wallpapers, right? HD. Okay, and you're going to put whatever your app name is right there. Okay, app contact information, basically that's your email. Okay, so let's put our email. Okay, let's see, that looks right. Move myself over here. You're going to choose type of app: free, open source, freemium, ad-supported, commercial, whatever it is. My app is a free app, but it's going to have ads in it, so just put free. Developer type: individual, company. That's up to you. Developer name. Put your developer name right there. And we don't need to put anything right there, but just choose the operating system, which is Android. And I believe that is it. Now we're going to go over here, okay, up there, to our links to our third party. Google Play services, really, that's the only one you need checked. But if you want to, you can click AdMob, because we're going to be putting AdMob ads in most of our apps, 90% of our apps, possibly. Firebase, that's just AdMob's tracking. You really don't need that. We're going to put Facebook ads in our apps. So, and Facebook ads make a lot of money. I'll tell you that up front right now. So let's just check that one too. The rest of these, you can look them over if you want. If you feel you need to click those. If you're using any of these third-party sites, you can go ahead and move your switch over and turn them on. Okay? Now, with that being said, let's go all the way over to the bottom left, and let's click Generate. And and that is going to generate our privacy policy, and there it is. Okay. Mobile App Mogul LLC built the Unicorn Wallpapers App HD as a free app. Okay. And if you want to, sometime you can look over this to see what exactly it says, and so forth. And with that being said, let's go ahead and copy this. What I usually do, I just select all and copy it. And you can select this bottom part too, just to give private policy template.net a little love. Okay, let's right click and copy it. And we're going to put this on a WordPad, but you can also put it on a Microsoft document if you want. You can put it on a PDF, doesn't matter. It's up to you. Okay, let's paste it. Okay, and there it is right there. Now, let's go ahead and save this. Actually, you know what? I want to look exactly like this. I don't know why. I'm on my WordPad. Hold on, let me do something real quick. It's not supposed to look like that. It's supposed to look, I tell you what, let's put it on Microsoft Word. Let's see what happens. Word. Okay, I just want to test something real quick. But usually, like the bold, it shows up bold on a WordPad. But for some reason, I guess it's not on right now. But let's try Microsoft Word, see what happens. Okay. Let's see, blank document. And let's paste it. Okay, yeah, that's how I want it to look. Okay. Yeah, with the bolding and everything, that's how I want it to look. Okay. And it should have did that on WordPad, but for some reason it didn't. So anyway, we have it. Now we want to save it as. So let's go to File and Save As. And real quick, this is part of your organizational of your apps. Remember, you want to, keep everything nice, labeled nicely so you know where to find it and organized. Okay, you want that. Save as. Let's go to Browse. Okay, I'm going to put it in my app folder, my Unicorn app folder. And there it is right there. Now, it says privacy policy and put a dash there. Unicorn Wallpapers HD. Okay, and you see how everything is labeled Unicorn Wallpapers? Everything is, the same template for everything. Okay, Unicorn Wallpapers. So you don't want to name one unicorn like I just did there. Then the rest Unicorn Wallpapers. Keep everything consistent and congruent. Okay, so I got privacy policy dash Unicorn Wallpaper. So I know that's what that is. So save that. So I'm gonna go hunting for it. All right. So we have it there. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go to a cloud service. It can be, I use Dropbox, but it can be any cloud service you want to. It doesn't have to be a cloud service. It can be a place where you can upload it and you get a link. It just so happened I just used Dropbox because that was handy at the time, and I still use Dropbox. So I'm going to go to Dropbox. Let me reduce that a little bit. Okay, and let's go to our Unicorn folder. Okay, and we're going to find our privacy policy, and it's right here. Okay, in the Word document. Okay, so I'm just going to drag this into my Dropbox. Okay, and I know it's dragging if I see that word move there, so it's going to move it there. I'm going to look at the bottom. It says upload it. So I'm going to click View Details. Okay, and click done. Okay. Now I also want to go back. I want to find it again. Okay, here it is right here. I want to click share. Okay, so click share. It's going to give me a link. Okay, and I want anyone with this link can edit. No, I want it can view. Okay, so I'm going to create link so anyone can view this link. So basically, when someone clicks on the link, it'll show my privacy policy. Now I want to copy my link. Okay, and it's copied. And what I like to do is go test it out. So I copied my link already. And let's see if it shows up. If I just go to an open tab, and it should show up. And there it is. Okay. That's my privacy policy. Okay. Now, once I have that link, what you're going to do, you're going to put that link on your description. Okay. And here's where I'm going to show you some more organizational skills, which you to keep everything congruent. Okay, this is our description, of course. But you know, you're going to be adding like your ad networks. You're going to be adding some package names. You're going to be adding your privacy policy. You know, you can put all that on separate documents, you know, if you want. But that'll be you know, a lot. I just put it all in my description. Okay. So here's an example. Let's just put privacy policy. We're gonna put our privacy policy right here. Okay. Okay, so there's our privacy policy. Okay. So I don't need to go looking for where it's at. That link is right there. Along the line, along the way, you're gonna put your ad networks here. Like say ad networks. Okay. Okay. So ad networks and so forth, you're gonna put your ad networks. Now, as you heard, that was the wife just calling, so I gotta hurry up and finish this. Okay. But you know, put anything that you need to organize. Okay. Put it on your description. Okay. So with that being said, I'm gonna save that. Okay. All right, and let's see. So I have it. I have my my privacy policy URL, and where you're going to put it. And I should have showed you this before the Google Play training, but you're going to put it right there. Right there, your app. And this is the training video that you're going to be watching to publish your app on Google Play. But you're going to put it right there. Okay. Now, in case you don't have it by any chance, just click the not submitting privacy policy at this time. Okay. And you can use either option like that. So, with that being said, I showed you how to resize your images that you're going to need. You're going to need your 1024 by 500 and your screenshots. You're going to, for Amazon, you got to resize those. Okay. And with that, we're going to go ahead and conclude this video, and I'll see you in the next training.